0727026368. Kisii Printing Hub asobokorera ubusera Mary Guririanse. Supermarket ya Kisii Mart bono nigo bachakira umurubiryo bwoko ni ibintu ki wholesale buna maguta yo gukarangira kinyeni ubusi bwokuruga chi diapers ne chi tissue chi sabuni body oils ebinywegwa esukari ebikoroto n'ibintu binde binge naboigo nkoni abalichianga chinyange chi bag chi carpet ebitanda emeito ne chi pillowcase chimesa n'ebirugo office furniture ebintu byo gutumeka jikoni buna cookers, table burners, toaster ovens na microwaves, chi dispenser, cordless kettle, washing machines n'ibintu binde binge no bali mu muco Kisii opposite Kwanza Place ebare kugenda daraja mbili. Kisii Mart Supermarket, the only man saver in town. Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'umuguzi.
Yaragirense yamo yabona margobo moncho murigerenga kenengo kwarigani ya SMS yamangana majya nyaro kumanyigati yari twabereta ko kwarigana ya kurase mambia yarenge ntambe weka chinse chigabono chembono margoba litukarigali ya Jumaine sariki kenda mutinyo gatana kabiro mwaka bwikiri bubere na meronge berene na mange habereka korekana na mange abaigagendre tokorekana ayo aseri bwango chiko sansamuranira hande muno nabaliki baito babere bako ya sangereria inyirabono asenchira yobungtana ko mulekera naboigo asobwagare nyaro kumanya asebiro bitari bitambe ko bwatakana na kiribono murayi bwense nyarre ko bekese nagote yabuna ni gobone commitment ko chiko chorwa ibone ko chiko unengya na nemono bali bako chiko choro buna ba commissioner ase kyombe kali kyobo chori kya IBC na boni go asentunde no murayi bwense William Samoei Ruto omirana nabo go no murayi kyama kya ODM rera morodinga asobwa mo pate yabuna mbachi kwaligana chinkwana chabene eliko nyara kone kibuno murayi bwense ko nyara reko tegerera kelia abakenya baganeti ekali kali murayi bwense achikire ko chikotwara omujega bw'abantu emiyemo amo ne 50 gati y'abantu abo abasaini go bale 50 na batano nojomo ochakirikie gocha tukulia Jumatatu majigora kolekana asegeka kia matuko atano nilimo ayunga tiyari toko chukumulekero moncho muligereria ase margoba yabona sayo monenda mange saranso ketwe manya century yobo ikarano ekerenke magenrete kogania obone bwabo maiga yomwana obo oyubono beteka goitona abasani baye aso wakwe nungu wekakobe kwa ICU asamono mwana yuasiriri obuguma bwaye chinsemo chiria chi county yiga ya Kisii kandara tubwate gwetera nsembeli mtandao nsembeli ya Facebook na boko channel buna Ndizi TV News Digital na bayiga nsembeli ya YouTube na boko channel buna Ndizi TV News to base kweba gotubwate gwetera se website ito una botambe www.ndizi.net onyare konyora byo munanda mangoli cyo kubwatira nero gwetera somo na wemenyererio igakuru kwa Lydia Musekera kelipetino lira mukera akone kichibi chamenu kya gwekera century bwanzara mangana ywa century yoko ya kararia
Banyumondo wadaete elasi yao ni sera zake atenene
bali mumereta amatekero kyobo government ya county ya Nyamire sokimoni sera chino tigagonzererie yetana gozererie county litotebire Nyaribo.
A dialogue is the way forward out of the crisis that we are having today in our country.
Igaikaro ky'abantu miye mama ne 50 go cyakabena igasense yakanyago cyakara Jumatatu ikego cyote biro murebwe nsaso murebwe kyama kyo diemerera umoro dinga tebire chinkwana kiranyara go konyagero murebwe nsarategerere.
He must produce that money for us so that we go and treat the hustlers that are dying in the hospital.
Abanyagatari boko egera hose chance nigo bakorokorobekana go ikasama gacho yobo chenumiyo mucho Nairobi ko mucho murebwe nsasa bagani bakano kibese cyabo buna bakigeto mwaka bo kirubona 15 na ibere. asa yo munenda mange sana nsika wana tumenya senchera yo boyikero neterane nchenkoro kwa Vincent Onyanche gotoko cha kamese mangana manyensemo yabono margobo kurose county ya Nyamira serikali ya county ya Nyamira litokole babwato kachibesa chi milioni 50 mona isano ne moko bwatekana n'enchire mu yokonyara gusira mangana rengere chisemi ana mona sabaro kwa form 1 na form 2 ase county yo omugavana be county ya Nyamira Amosinya Ribo gokwana so munyigabo litokole lero nigate birebune county ya Nyamira mbagendere gusira amagendera bo n'chisemi na boniganya reko mo chawa mirriba bari bagendere konyara ko machitiya sensemo ya gesiasa asanya reko bolia bara se county Nyamira kwa neki munangusika bale county yo kubwatana na sobwamo na kwa neki ngokirani baramagendera gotia enda mangi na kubariga na service ya banyale goisana sa sobwamo na kwa neki munamagendera ngokirani gwala senseme yuno tokumanyigwa no muri kite kurose county Nyamira Paul Kapa Okara Litukohoria rero nigo mugavana we county ya Nyamira Moske Amos Kimomenya Libo anyara ko bagakubwatuka ebaseri USA ne chishilinge chimilioni 50 na mona isano nemo ejo kirati kunyara ko bachiko bakonya abana bakorwa se chinga chitari kwenyara anene bagosome class kirya kyanda mone class ge komim.
Today we are here to launch bursaries for Form 1 and Form 2 worth 66 million. As we agreed with the MPs to be giving bursaries for Form 3 and Form 4.
Kurengana munenya Libo nigo balete tumurubuli gabunenchire ya moyo kubwate serikali nene kwene kibunango konya baraba nabo igakwegenderia mu namasomo abo.
We came in as a government 2013 and we deliberated with the former governor and decided that our people are too poor. Most of them are in day schools, and even if it's a national government function, we have to intervene because it's we who knows where the stone pinches.
Asomo jogoyo igaho mugavana nigatebere nago chakero umwakonde kubatakana muno muri umujebwa amasomo we class kirya kyandage tabao nigo baratwanyara kwa bagutumeka kibese cyo konyara kwa bagusira cy'isukuru cyo Bubundia ecyo byakimanye kandi na vocational training centers elyo kugendereria amasomo ya abana na nene kwebundusa chikosi cha maboko.
Next year we'll be giving one Form 2 because Form 1 will not be there, and then parents will go to VCT and ECD. We have also scholarship programs which are 751 students. This was my initiative because we realized that some very, very poor students, even if you give them a person, it will not assist them.
Barai awe serikali ya county ya Nyamira nigo bayikirana sajaiga asibagendere ko bahaba komochiga tia barai bande kurase serikali nene abo bakomochya nene murobili yigo mugima asibaganiriye serikali yiga kunyara ko bagotiwa na gusira abana bega batari kwenyara kurase chinga kitari kwenyara Samuel Ogeto no MCA we wadelia manga uyibo rumunyakirogo ubwa amangana ya masomo kurase county ya Nyamira.
We have several sections. We have the ECD, we have the vocational training centers. Then we have this bursary, which is purely a national government function. But we are here assisting our parents. These are our electorates. We have to assist them, even if it's a national government function.
Nonyena bo ni gabara yabagabo go bagendera ko bagusegeta kwene kibuna gotambiye bale omurubuli buno yiga na kurusia nengo yabasomo buke liko basira abana batari kwenyara eliyo ko gendereria amasomo yabana bayiga. Henry Obwaya no MCA we wadelia yagachuba
tito tigiraga abana bweka arukibasari na into ese torwete if we can noro mwana yomo usabana babere na ya support egera abana basoma tito tigira umuntu yomo gato che amatupuna ba resources egera abana bakora iki school
na kurengana muno mwaziri wa mwaneje seminar boyigo ne kisukuru cy'Ubundia kurwase county Nyamira musubati Emilongaga nigo ayiro murubule yigo koboko igentobego kyagendera ko bagagotogi wa monega te barayibanda wekeranase ayigam.
Your Excellency, as I coordinate the department under your leadership, I want to appreciate the support.
Inko report ligeta seniki wa wanjete kyandize TV kurugigasti nsemechi gache county Nyamira inche gongoro kwa Polycarp Okara. Mbia muno murikite kurase kaunti ya Nyamira Paul Kapokara soroboti rwa sentere yo wekirano gotigara boigomeye kaunti ya Nyamira omwe musebwe godi yeri goma boigo ore munyakirobo ase kyama kereki ya UPA ni go bananyare ko buri murebwense William Samuel Ruto kane kibuna nkwango yare ogochorwa kwe committee ra chikonyara gokonya aso kulingole na kunenge ba commissioner be kyombe kereki ya IBC abo barachi ko nyama bagayu bunenchire ya muyo konyara gwekiranyo bokorre kurase kyombe kyobo chorni chumbe ya IBC nigo nabate buna kwekiraboni gachinse muchinge igasorongoro gusia mune chinse muchinde ane wodi ya nyama yane wodi ya nyansiongo niko chiategere maiga sense mo yamagendro kubotekana no kuboroko bra sense meju asekere ngabune kyombo kyo keranyo bochori BCTK yo negate birebuna baise go choroba commissioner wasobwango mbanyare go konya chika chi wodi chibere nyama yana boigona nyansiongo eriko nyara gwaka chikura bunenchire mo nyoko nyara go chora bara ikerania magendro menyi bense meju.
I'm the national chairperson of the UPA political party Esaigayomo Gusii, na siku ya leo President William Ruto akiwa na Raila Odinga akiwa na Kalonzo hata Gachagua walikuwa wamepitisha ule mswada the president has assented to the IBC amendments bill. What we want to request the government is that let us put the selection committee of 9 people as soon as possible. We have wards, we have 2 wards in the whole of Western Kenya. That is in Nyamaiya, where Mheshimiwa Zeria presents, and in Nyansiongo, where by elections are supposed to be conducted. Sisi tunaomba serikali iharakishe ile mambo ya kuweka selection panel ya IBC ndio tukuwe na commissioners to move kwenda mbele.
Na gotigana ya soroboto rogo ichane ya mate ya mokuru wa sensemeri ya mugonga gotoka se wodi ya nyacheki ya se bunge ya bobasen nigo bagendrete ko bano muchano monne ko bwatekana buna nigo omwana obo habete ka wakwa nabasani baye enungwa somotoye wikera gotigoro chinko ma chintinde kolengana ne ya mate ne nkaya nyagosirani ge gote buna maiga yo mwana obo kunyara kwa enungu nabasani baye ikera boni ko bataramanya inkibarenge ko mubolia ni gatiro chinko mana ko irwa senyagetana ko beko ICU maiga ye bili konyara korokana comment tekero bagendrete ko beko muchango bunenchire mu yoko nyara ko murusi umwana nyagetare nigo bono yanyare kante ko mwana yosiri onwabwaye nigo chinga kechenke yukira boni yagendrete ko buri butukeme ko nyara ko korogo cya sabasani baye akwego tebekana babage wa mwagete nungwa so muto yuko gosiri ogumabwaye ase bono batebere buna enchere yoko ni umwana boni ko yabero muchando kubwatkana no botaka no bole murwa bole asenke yo chinga kechingo banyara ko buri mubunga bwenseme yo muno mwemzia mana barayibande kubwaterana eriko nyara gosiri nkeja semero bele yoko mweni umwana obona boigo nigo baga ndio bane bwabo gotoka
mumuro yosira nayo no mumuro manene anere bikambwa umwana wenje na mwete transport ko Nairobi achenga aje kuba kwani kana mwete transport alingwa kirwisi migotuko ache to gotuko owe kamambia maroba ngo kirwisi mimo mwana itiru ochire nyagitari ya ochire ICU ye obere ori tuko ngwaka na eri kwa musini tuko obere ori wiki ngema biri yakinire ebiri ibina yakinire kerangu erigereria tindo tinga ninyare kiara nje ninduare
ino mwana kwendu ya no sirete usira kwa ego tuichane kimono sana ekiagera ngwete ya chete nyacheki ekaraika nyacheki asibaringe nabandi abuto tamanyiti woni tuto chituko yimwe mwana oyo rusingu yabunya cheki oyirunya gitari oikunya gitari tukangete ngankuru mwana nkurwa nkubweni gwale achenka matukabira atatu tukungu mwana oyo kolereki sivile
epire ibina yakinire kerangu erigereria tindo tinga ninyare kiara nje ninduare takiri chibeza
eturaganye gakyo ndo bwensi musamario ndo bwensi romuya atobwatesie egara to rusio omwana oyagu egara to mweni gaki
obakungu bole senke no banene utogusabanga nyore naba misiye mwa misiyo ito nkoba mopungo ito no senturi mwene mugabani oito simbarati anyumugata mabira aliyo yogo konya akikonye muchuyo ekiagera muchuyo nyori bakungu banene uria tochukua magega usio twanyora ngantu gwatirichi gwensi gusemo samario gwensi kura nyare gotokonya atokonya ikiagere piri gere igoro 240
ono ngutigo sabanga wa Samaria baya bali bara babwata gokonya banyalo to bari sipiri yabere 340 akimu sabana rayo egere na inche birangari bira na Kenya wale sindi bangurware libo
Togotomengora ochia asenke yonkolenga unabarembe sokonyara kobasira gotigana yubono ni gobono mojega bokonyara ko mwariganyanka omo director mochore bwezoni elia Yabase Central asiri tukulia lero bakogo kalekana asenka ya Bernard Nyang'ao yubono charu na ndego chikora asensemeyo omulikito Juri Kerubo na ikara na sensemeyo na gotwariga ndroboti rokubwatia
Asomo yegabo ko mwariganyanka mo director mochoro mo yabwezoni Yabase Central imeye factory ya Itumbe na Nyamache aserieta Bernard Nyang'ao asenka yaye imeye Itumbe
Jebuna Mr. Bernard mo director mo Yabase Central torokora akritangana nyasaye ngambia mono lero twarenga singa yane asokure nyasaye mbia mono kwetira sabalemi una banchorete buno director abo ase tukuria lero na rigoke
Gokwana negeta Senikandizi TV ni gobena deira niri nyasaye mbia mono na boiga baremia soko mochora na kubaliere ira yogo chiko bakorera magenderero iryo benyorera engeria enyinge
nje buno director pa Central ninga kise koranga abaremi bana ase chaye tundubari basombi ko borobia na koruororo ntorrenga ebintu mbiri bitakiro tumeka se tunubari na kimo una chicho cyobo chenu chitoke se tunubari cyabo ningerwe na kimo gotarira bari bane ase tunubari chonsi wakisanga obonchoreri obu wabera ase pa Central na kimo ndo bwatera ne chipoti ito ya Nyamache wetera se egrupu yemu tobwego koeneki ngabani baito baisanekire no boremi bwechaye
Omoyego bagugwikiranirwa n'aba director abo bachorwa bakoragwa na Dr. Abel Kenyoru uyuboigo ukorigia kwegwe kirogo kyobo board member bwa KTDA kurwaso yokabeire kirogo kyo omweno Umbasa
Peni ayeno mogeni lakini twakokaribishire na makokabire eliyegere ntubona aba director balitoro ntusange experience yae eliyobwate koruisiko o inject new blood ase body yaito ya Nyamache inche nkoboliande obo board member nonye umweno kwanaga ne role incumbent igoni ntagetena inche mupinge mboli obo director obo board member bwabere bo machoge bono tutagete bochi bo basi iyire Nyamache bokurubo basi Nyamache bogende kia mukama eyinero embinu tobwate na ende tutagitunya kwara na maiso intubona aba director ba reforms torosie structure abantu baratumie myake gocha no 20 ngonye yari ngogembo bareto montobo abe board member
Nigo Dr. Kenyoru arire ira yogo chako kinya ebirengo byechaya Orthodox ase factory ya Nyamache na gusaba babwaterane bonsi erio ayo abega wikiranirwa buya
kororanga next time bonus irache nebe iguru kubweri ende yarengo ntubwate chimbinu buna ntu aba director ba Nyamache bari baro to tagete tobe Nyamache nyore Orthodox bono igabona ngukwana Itumbe garo twakora 9 months accounts onye ni Itumbe yoga twale ko bakana bali 47 shillings per kilo igonye Nyamache nero yabwate Orthodox moigwete ntwale kuriera less than 30 twale kuriera 47 shillings
asensemo yayo mweno Umbasa nigaboriri aba director bonsi kubwateranamo iryogo kinyari gesa ryekemeriye chaye
obole mibweto bogendere mutu echaye ngiye toru elie ko quality tea elia ogotora baada ya matukata nabere paka matuko 10 twachora echaye ngiya elinde egochekere gosegwa yatware quality na ndekere ko enda Mombasa yabanga nkurwanererwere asengenche quality eregoro bali ba minto twachoriru abo basi yonda atakige ntwe ku unity mune board member yintagete unity einerera agerere tuoro kia bali ba minto nganga kiyobole mibole without unity ntoko enda far a house divided it falls a house united goes far
ngo reporter yegeta Seni Kandizi TV Eritarian Njuli Kerubo
Biamono mulikito juri kerubo hasorobote rwa senchera yoboikirano gotegana yibono mwancho muligiryo murebwense William Samoei Ruto asiri tukolya niganya kubeka ese na kobali chiko kubwatekana no kugania we committee of national dialogue iri abwatogete erengete amangana IBC kolenga no muswado IBC ni gobono obono aba committee saba na committee baguchiko chorwa abaguchiko nengyana kulingoria aba commissioner aba IBC obara tikoso ase birogo byobora hengana yayi wokoboko na bare agati yabo umrebeke makiodi emrara morodinga kyawe Pastor Kalonzo Musyoka amo na baraibande roboti rwa senchira yoboikirano no mulikito Dorcas Kemuma
Abaraikora sabo moba Kenya Kwanza bakuru no morai wense Dr. William Ruto amona baraikora sabo moba azimio bakora uno morai wekyama ODM Raila Odinga nigoli tukolia lero baina kyokobekwa SAE kwa muswada bobochole amone chimbibe IEBC asomo yego yokalekana asamagacho IKCC meyomochi o Nairobi abarayabo nigo bagokera gwetigwa kwa muswado ywe na kobari chiko asibatabamna yenenchira ya moyo gwekirania egati ya machiko emergency ya Kenya aboigo kwaenana obosibore.
Today's assent of the IEBC amendment bill therefore marks a significant step in the actualization of one of the recommendations of NADCO and testifies to our country's ability.
This bill that has now been signed into the law today is just one of those. But the NADCO report contains very many issues.
The constitution of the IEBC is a great step for our democracy.
Ruto ni gateba munani gobono barachi gochaka moroberi obokoligia aba commissioner beke ombekyo kya IBC abono barachi gotenera obochori emergency.
The signing of this bill paves way for the establishment of the selection panel for the appointment of IEBC commissioners. The IEBC remains a cornerstone of our democracy, responsible for overseeing regular elections at various levels, and on the overall, ensuring that our electoral cycle is managed transparently and administered in an impartial, neutral, efficient, accurate, and accountable manner. I concur with leaders who have said there must be professionalism and integrity.
Now set up the process of nominating new commissioners. We made it very clear that both you, Mr. President, Mr. Raila Odinga, the Prime Minister, will have to agree on perhaps, most importantly, on who becomes the chair of the new IEBC.
Ni goboigo atabamna ni gobarachi kubatrina amona baraibonsi meyense iliyokwene kibuna bairirense ya Kenya motwe akemagenderero.
I am very confident that, as always, Kenya knows how to pull together, and leaders know how to come together in the best interest, not of individuals, not of parties, but the collective body of the Kenyan people. And I look forward to working with leaders.
Omukonyo yeri katika shawani gabori aba Kenya kuirangora aboigo kwali bagachinkwana gokoleka eri ogokora emechando ya Kenya.
Of Kenya to give dialogue a chance, to give consultation a chance, get off the streets, stay away from destruction of property, because Kenya is greater than all of us.
Akura sense moyo yo kabeire omo Prime Minister Raila Odinga nigo boigo segetengane yoye chinkwana asabolia serikali kubwatani abantu bonse erikwanira emechando egendrete emergency.
If you say that between 35 and 18 constitute about 40%, we need that 40% to be present when this dialogue is taking place. And then the rest can fill the rest. And then we just talk about the Kenya we want. The Kenya we want convention. Out of that will come out recommendations that will help us to resolve this issue once and for all.
Dorcas Kemuma, Ndizi TV.
Biemono mulekito Dorcas Kemuma hasoroboche rwa senchira yobo ikiranu singa kia chagendrete niko muno murebwense William Samoei Ruto atabira bona go chakreke go charito kole Jumatatu nachiko twarege karokya bante mie momo ne 50 gatia banta bwa basaini go barabe 50 na batana no yo mubune nchire mu yoko nyara kwariga nchinkwa na chiga kia matuka 5 nilimo eliko nyara go ikirania alia abakenya baganete nengana yego ko bokono muraiwe kema kia ODM Raila Amolo Odinga oyote yabuna ko nyara go ikirania na go kore mechande gendrete koneki wasense ya Kenya ni gere byo muraiwense nyara kuarigani chinkwana na gotegerera Kenya na koigwa okogani kwabo.
It will be a 6-day forum and will propose the way forward for the country. In the interest of making sure that we live within our means, all participants will bear their cost of attendance. This is the result of the consultations we've gone through this morning, and we look forward to beginning the forum on Monday next week.
A dialogue is the way forward out of the crisis that we're having today in our country. We've agreed that we give people an opportunity to be heard, to express themselves, to come out with the grievances which are actually ailing our country today.
Na abanyagatari bokwegera go sentence tukorera bakora okorobekano kwa bogo ikasa magacharia afya osiyobo chenu imeye county ya Nairobi ni gwarokana ko mucyumure bwense William Samoei Ruto sokonyara gotsebuko gani kwabo anemono konyara kubakana ngeri abokorengana no kuigwana kwabo igetumwa kabwekiribwe na 17 ibere ekraboni gagotara tegero na gotebuna ko ikabako no manya kogendera nemirimo yabo.
So here today, doctors, we are at a point that we have to strategize and get things done. I know we have an impasse, and as KMPDU, we are retreating to have a sitting with the National Advisory Council leadership to discuss the mechanisms to which we can implore to resolve this matter once and for all.
There's no way you will post half and leave the other half. All of us have been out, and even before the finance bill, we were being told the same thing, that there's no money. This is the time the president said he was going to reorganize the budget. He must produce that money for us so that we go and treat the hustlers that are dying in the hospital.
We've been out here for long, like 7-8 years. Our parents have funded our schooling. It's not like we've been funded by other people. And they've literally invested in us so that later on we can invest in them too. And for them to say we are posting 350 is really small.
Mwanchumuri kiribono kwikirabu nonko yakuru musumali mangana majase nchira yobo ikirano nsemo yabona margoba onyerebuna ni gobono amarigani yonsi nyarega kubekwa sensemelia ye chigosori ase regional bono tirariganigwe aigase county ya Kisii gati kelia ya Cardinal Otunga Mosocho nabaigo negati kelia Kisii school chigosori awonchikolekane anemono nko yenene ni gera bagati ya sameta na matutu nabaigo agoro sale nabaigo amo ne timu ya Kisumboiza omwanchumuri kirelia echi abo ne chibicha ya mase mokorwase ebiti ao anemona nsemelia Kisii school nabogana Cardinal Otunga Mosocho eyoroboti uruno ronyora senchira yobo ikirano egekoraga isato chebono botuko na ndemo Steven oyibono ruwariganira senchira yobo ikirano mbiamono asogo tengera ndizi TV asebire biga tutaete konyakiro musumali gabu ntomera nisa tori twabwatira nero gotera somono wemanyererio yakuru kwa Lydia Mose Betrolina Mokera wane kichibi chamunuki chagwe kira senchira erengi yakagima mitandao Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, website yetu na butambe www.ndizitv litera nchi nkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha tomera nisato korwa chinsema chiri chia nyamatara sobo tuko bwarero.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bwumugusi
Biwa Health Natural Herbs Clinic Nenyagitari ya Chirenguma asokorwa obogwenya gotumeka amaliogo yemete mbabwate abanyagitari buna Dr. Gikonyo abakolingolia na kugwenya amarwaire abuna arthritis, oburwaire bw'esukari, high blood pressure, UTI, ulcers, asthma, hemorrhoids, fibroids, prostate enlargement na gukwa endurume. Boigonkwena na bale amaliogo asabasacha bali achinguru cyabo kiranirense abasubati babwate omuchando bokorole rangi na boigo oboroire bwelisangwa na yande amange mbabwate chimashini chekerero echichikolingolia amarwaire eliokonyora obokoleri bwabo batarerekera litko asorosagirwa borwa Nairobi, Kisumu, gose Mombasa. Umerana n'abanyagitari kera litko lya Jumapili asensemeli ya Ikonge asomo bagani o Millennium angenegeta seni kya mabuta ya Pebo. Kera litko lya Jumatatu asensemeli ya Nyamira asomo bagani o Nyamira angene bengi ya Equity. Kera litkoria Jumanne imeyomo Chobo Songo omubagani o Capitol Rongo litangani room 17